So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Kunal Balewadi, which is located near Patil Nagar, Balewadi, Pune and developed by Kunal Groups. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. कुनाल बालेवाड़ी will be constructed on 5 acres of land parcel consisting of 4 towers. Each tower will be having basement plus ground plus 2 podium plus 30 floors, having 3 BHK and 3 BHK duplex premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट की लोकेशन और कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में. तो प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर साई चौक, पाटिल नगर, बालेवाड़ी, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है डी मार्ट बानेर विद इन 2.2 किलोमीटर, बालेवाड़ी फाटा विद इन 3.2 किलोमीटर एंड बानेर रोड विद इन 4.5 किलोमीटर. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 35 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool, infinity pool, party lawn, multi-purpose court, jogging track, clubhouse and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Kunal Balewadi has 3 BHK and 3 BHK duplex premium residences with 3 BHK starting from 1150 to 1450 square feet and 3 BHK duplex starting from 1500 to 1600 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project teaser of Kunal Balewadi, which is located near Patil Nagar, Balewadi, Pune and developed by Kunal Groups. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक एंड डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.